Hello. Back again to Bilik 7 channel. A place where we explore space, form, and ideas through inspiring architectural works. A 45 is a 17 square meter tiny house prototype, designed by Bjarke Ingels group for Klein, and set in the tranquil landscape of upstate New York. Inspired by the shape of a traditional A-frame cabin, the design rotates the square base 45 degrees, resulting in a crystal-like silhouette, with 13-foot ceilings that create a sense of space and lightness. Inside, a calm Nordic atmosphere welcomes you. Exposed pine framing, Douglas fir floors, and natural cork wall coverings form a clean, simple, and grounded space. Every detail is designed for efficiency and comfort. From the tiny, hidden kitchen to the handcrafted furniture and wood-burning fireplace. That is the heart of the cabin. The A45 is built entirely from recyclable modular components and can be assembled in a remote location without heavy equipment in less than a week. A flexible housing solution, suitable as a holiday home, studio, or alternative living space. But more than just a place to live, the A45 is a statement of how architecture can transform to be compact, adaptable, and environmentally friendly, without sacrificing comfort or beauty. That concludes the review of the A45. A small work with a big vision. A proof that limited space is not a limitation, but an opportunity to design a simpler, wiser, and more in harmony with nature way of life. See you in the next architectural and design inspiration.